In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Google Calendar with your Slack account. This integration is a fantastic way to streamline your day, ensuring you're always in the loop with your schedule without having to switch between multiple apps. By linking these services, you can receive notifications of upcoming events directly in Slack and even have your Slack status updated automatically during meetings. Let's dive right into the process. First, you need to add Google Calendar to Slack. Begin by opening your Slack application. Once you're in, navigate to the Apps section, which is located in the sidebar. This is the hub for all the integrations and apps that you can connect with your Slack workspace. In the Apps section, you'll want to search for Google Calendar. Once you locate it, click on it and you'll see an option labeled Add to Slack. Click this and it will prompt you to sign in to your Google account. It's essential to ensure that you are logging in with the Google account that is associated with the calendar you intend to use. After signing in, you'll need to authorize Slack to access your calendar. This step is crucial as it allows Slack to manage and send notifications about your calendar events. With Google Calendar now added to Slack, the next step is to connect your specific calendar. Start by opening the Google Calendar app within Slack. You'll see an option to select the Google account or calendar you wish to link. Select the right account that carries your important schedules, meetings, and tasks. This ensures that all your Slack notifications are relevant and timely based on your chosen calendar's activities. And just like that, you're done. Your Google Calendar is now successfully connected to your Slack account. What does this mean for you? Well, Slack will begin to notify you about your calendar events as they come up. Plus, if you choose, it can automatically update your status to let your colleagues know when you're busy or in a meeting. This feature can be extremely helpful if you often find yourself in back-to-back meetings and want to minimize disruptions. By following these easy steps, you've not only streamlined your workflow but also taken a significant step towards efficient time management. You're leveraging the power of integration to stay organized and informed throughout your day. Remember, keeping your applications in sync allows you to focus on what truly matters, accomplishing your work goals effectively and efficiently. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy the seamless planning that comes with a connected Google Calendar and Slack account.